I was checking the seeds and I noticed that 3 of them has sprouted. Me di cuenta que habían 3 que estaban ya germinadas. I'm gonna show the shit. Remember that this is what I showed the other day. Esto es lo que hice el otro día. I already took some from here. Yeah, some of these are... Everything got mixed. Se mezcló todo, so I don't remember anything anymore. What is what? But anyway, I'm just gonna focus on the peas. Me voy a enfocar en las arvejas. I want to have at least 5 of this, and I think I already have 4. And also this bean y este poroto. Tengo 4 arvejas ya en total y quiero tener por lo menos unas 5 para poder trasplantarlas en un macetero ya definitivo. So anyway, like this is, I just wanted to show this short update. One of the peas. Now I'm gonna place them where they're supposed to be. And this, I guess these beans are a little bit more sensitive. Estos porotos son más sensibles. And I'm just gonna plant whatever germinates. Ya voy a plantar todo lo que salga. Look at this, huh? Look at the peas. That's not a pea, is it? I can't even remember. This must be the Asian pear. And I think that must be the Fuji apple. Creo que esta es la manzana. Perdón, Yeah, I don't know. I know this is the bean. Sabemos que este es el poroto. That's one of the peas. Esa es una de las arvejas. That should be another one of the peas. Esa es otra de las arvejas. That's something else. But this for sure is the apple. I'm pretty sure that this is the apple. Or the pear. Same with this one. La manzana o la pera. La manzana o la pera. Now, and then we have here more. That's another pea. Otra arveja. I'm not sure. And that's for sure a bean. And this has to be either a pear or an apple. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Nos vemos. Dos arvejas. 2 peas. We need 3 more to just stop doing this. So that's all we have for now. Debería ser así. Una acá. Ya, y la otra va a ir acá. ¿Cierto? Entonces esta va a ir... Hoy parece que no fue tan profunda la cosa. No, la wea penca. Ahí. ¿Qué hacemos? La empujamos, bueno. Sí. Ahí. Ley. ¿Ah? Oh, me hubieran avisado que se veía la raja. Se veía como el... Bueno, no me avisan ni no. Poroteca. Poroteca. Y arvejeri. Arvejita. Nos despedimos. Chao, amigos. Nos vemos. Gracias. Estaba súper seguro que había hecho un video sobre esto. I was very sure that I've done a video about the beans. But apparently I didn't. So I either transplanted them. This is one on a bottle. Maybe I'll find the video later, I don't know. 2 more here actually. This one still growing, and this one that it has some flowers, I think. Already in a tiny can. I'm pretty sure because it's on the red can, porque está en la lata roja, that this one is the Asian pear. It kind of looks like an apple, but from what I saw in the video, when I checked the apple, they had it on a yellow can, and I remember that that one died. Me acuerdo que se murió. So yeah, an update of the Asian pear.